Hello everyone, and welcome to Universe Reader, where I explore the wonders of the universe. In today's video, I'm going to tell you something amazing. We are all made of stardust. What does that mean? It means that the atoms that make up our bodies and everything around us were once part of stars that exploded billions of years ago. How do we know that? Let's find out. The story begins with the Big Bang, the event that created the universe about 13.8 billion years ago. At that time, only the lightest elements existed, such as hydrogen, helium, and a tiny bit of lithium. These elements formed the first generation of stars, which were huge and burned very fast. Inside these stars, a process called nuclear fusion took place. This is when lighter nuclei fused together to form heavier nuclei, releasing energy and radiation. This is how stars produce light and heat. Through nuclear fusion, the first stars were able to create elements like carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, and iron. But the story doesn't end there. When these stars ran out of fuel, they collapsed and exploded in spectacular events called supernovas. These explosions were so powerful that they created even heavier elements such as gold, silver, uranium, and more. These elements were then scattered across the universe, forming new stars, planets, and eventually, life. So, how do we know that we are made of these elements? Well, we can use a tool called spectroscopy, which is the study of how light interacts with matter. By analyzing the light from stars and other objects, we can identify the elements they contain. And guess what? We find the same elements in our own solar system, our planet, and our bodies. For example, the carbon in our DNA, the oxygen we breathe, the iron in our blood, and the calcium in our bones were all made in stars. Even the water we drink is partly made of stardust, since hydrogen comes from the Big Bang and oxygen comes from stars. Isn't that amazing? So, the next time you look at the night sky, remember that you are looking at your distant relatives. You are part of the universe and not separate from it. You are a child of the stars. You are stardust. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.